The way we start our morning often sets the tone for the rest of the day. Buddhism, with its profound spiritual wisdom, offers timeless guidance on how to cultivate a life filled with peace, mindfulness, and purpose. The teachings emphasize that our mornings are a powerful time to align our mind, body, and spirit. They remind us that the actions we take, especially during the early hours, shape not just our day, but our entire life. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Buddhist philosophy to discover the 5 things you should never do in the morning. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can transform your mornings and create a positive ripple effect that carries throughout your day. Each of these lessons is not merely about avoiding bad habits, but about cultivating a mindful and spiritually enriching life. Lesson 1. Starting your day with negative thoughts. A garden is often used to describe the mind in Buddhism. In other words, what you think about grows. If you think negative thoughts first thing in the morning, they will grow all day. A lot of people wake up and think about all the things they don't want to do, like work, their tasks, or things they wish they had not done in the past. Having these bad thoughts can weigh you down and make you tired before the day even starts. In Buddhist teachings, the power of purpose is stressed. Someone told me, "What you think, you become." This means that our thoughts have a huge effect on not only how we feel, but also what happens in our lives. If you think about bad things first thing in the morning, you'll feel stressed, anxious, and unhappy all day. Buddhists, on the other hand, start their day by being aware. Take a moment to say thank you as soon as you wake up. Simple things like being thankful for the air you breathe, the house over your head, or the chance to live another day could help. Reading a happy affirmation is another powerful technique. You can choose what kind of energy you want to carry with you all day by setting a positive goal. Don't dread your day. Instead, look forward to it with hope and interest. Every morning is a fresh start, a chance to change the story of your life. Remember that the mind is like a mirror. It shows what you think about. Thinking bad thoughts first thing in the morning will make you see bad things in the world around you. You'll find more things to be happy about if you choose to focus on the good things. This doesn't mean avoiding problems or acting like everything is fine. Instead, it's about picking to see the good in things, even when they are bad. So the first thing you should do when you wake up is not let bad thoughts take over. Instead, feed your mind things that make you feel good and give you ideas. Lesson 2. Ignoring mindfulness and rushing into your day. Our modern fast-paced world makes it all too easy to jump out of bed and start our day right away. A lot of the time, we let the stress of the day take over before we've even had a chance to relax. Buddhists believe that being in a hurry makes us lose our inner peace and lose touch with the present moment. One of the most important ideas in Buddhism is mindfulness, which means being fully aware and involved in the present moment. To be aware of your ideas, actions, and surroundings without judging them is what it means. Mindfulness exercise in the morning is very helpful for setting a calm and deliberate tone for the day ahead. You miss this chance to connect with yourself and the world around you when you are in a hurry in the morning. Do something thoughtful to start your day. One easy way to do this is to be still and focus on your breath for a few minutes. Another is to drink your tea slowly and enjoy each sip. It's important to give your full attention to whatever you're doing, like brushing your teeth, stretching, or making food. Be in the present moment and pay attention to the sounds, smells, and feelings that come with each job. You can protect yourself from the chaos of the outside world by slowing down and practicing awareness. You are not just reacting to life, you are deciding how to deal with it. This thoughtful way of doing things can help you feel less stressed, concentrate better, and stay calm all day. Take a moment to settle yourself in the present instead of giving in to the urge to hurry. Because of this, you'll feel more balanced and ready to handle anything that comes your way. Remember that being aware in the morning isn't about adding something else to your list. It's about changing how you feel about your day from the start. Lesson 3. Focusing on what you lack. When a lot of us wake up, we feel like we don't have enough. We think about the things we don't have, the goals we haven't reached, or the things we wish we had. Thinking about how limited things are can make your whole day bad. Buddhism teaches us how to be happy with what we have and how important it is to be thankful for what we have. One idea in Buddhism that is at the heart of pain is tanha, which means craving. When we keep thinking about what we don't have, we feel unhappy, which takes away our peace and happiness. Santosha, which means contentment, is a practice that helps us enjoy the present and find joy in the little things. Instead of focusing on what you don't have to start the day, try to see what you do have in abundance. A small act of gratitude in the morning can change the way you feel. Take a moment to think about all the good things in your life. This could be your health, the people you care about, or even the fact that you still have today. Focusing on what you have plenty of instead of what you don't have lets you see the opportunities that each new day brings. Also, keep in mind that focused on what you don't have isn't just about things you can't get. It could also be about relationships, self-worth, or things you've done for yourself. Buddhism says that real happiness comes from inside, not from what's going on around you. When you think about what you do have instead of what you don't have, you can find inner peace that nothing else can disturb. Don't start your day by thinking about what you don't have. Instead, think about how complete what you already have is. This will help you start the day with a sense of abundance, which will bring even more happiness and energy into your life. Remember that what you think about grows, so think about the good things. Lesson 4. Skipping a spiritual practice. Buddhists don't just follow a set of traditions. They live their lives that way. It's about getting in touch with your inner self, the world, and the bigger picture of life. Skipping this important practice in the morning is one of the worst things you can do, whether it's meditation, prayer, singing, or just sitting in silence. A spiritual practice brings you back to the present, connects you with your greater purpose, and makes you feel good about the day ahead. Every morning, the Buddha himself meditated. He used this holy time to center himself and get clear. You miss out on this chance to get in touch with your real self and the world around you when you don't do your spiritual practice. It doesn't matter how little time you have. Careful breathing or a short meditation can help you a lot. The key is to be consistent. Spiritual practice has benefits that build over time. The more you do it, the more you'll notice how it improves your mental and emotional health. You can think of your spiritual exercise as food for your soul. You wouldn't skip food because it's good for your body, and you shouldn't skip your spiritual practice because it's good for your mind and spirit. You'll feel more grounded, stronger, and better able to handle the tasks of the day if you take the time to connect with something bigger than yourself. Life is busy, but don't let that keep you from practicing your religion. Even if it's only for a short time, make it a goal. You'll find that this small commitment to yourself pays off in big ways, giving you peace, meaning, and clarity in your life. Lesson 5. Holding on to yesterday's energy. Buddhism tells us that life is always changing, and that the present moment is all we really have. Whether it's anger, sadness, or even happiness, holding on to the past can keep us from fully enjoying the present. Take the energy from the day before into the new day. This is something you should never do in the morning. Impermanence is a Buddhist idea that tells us that everything is only temporary. We only hurt when we hold on to the past, because it takes our attention away from the beauty of the present. Whether you had a bad day or a fight with someone yesterday, it's important to let go and start over. Remembering bad feelings from the past not only makes it hard to think clearly, but it also changes your mood and behavior for the rest of the day. A morning routine of cleansing is a powerful way for Buddhists to let go of old energy. This could be as easy as picturing the water washing away any bad energy from the day before as you take a thoughtful shower. A short meditation that focuses on letting go is another method. As you breathe in, picture yourself taking in new, fresh energy. As you breathe out, let go of any negative feelings that are still there. Every day should begin with a clean start. Let go of what happened yesterday and look forward to the new chances today brings. When you let go of the past, you make room for the present, which brings you new experiences, insights, and joys. Don't forget that you can't change the past, but you can decide how to deal with it. Let go of the energy of yesterday and fully enjoy the present moment. This simple change in how you think can make your mornings and your whole life better by giving you more peace, joy, and satisfaction. Buddhism gives us deep lessons into how to live our lives with more peace, awareness, and meaning. How you start your day can have a big effect on your mood, what you do, and how well you feel in general. Not doing these 5 things in the morning will not only make your day better, but it will also change your life one morning at a time. Don't forget that every day is a fresh start. If you follow the Buddhist teachings in the morning, you'll become more aware, more kind, and more in touch with your true mission. Let go of bad thoughts, practice awareness, think about having plenty, do something spiritual, and let go of the past. You'll then be able to make your life full of happiness, peace, and satisfaction.